Chapter 9. The Goose with Golden Eggs. Once upon a time, there was a poor man who lived with his wife in a village on the outskirts of a town. He and his wife used to go walking to the town every day to do small jobs and earn some money. They could just manage to eat simple food with the money they earned. One day, he prayed to God, "Oh God, we have lived in poverty all our life. We are your children. Please help us." That day, while going to the town, he found a goose on the road. He was happy. Being an honest man, he tried to find the owner of the goose. But he could find no one who claimed to be the owner of the goose. He said to his wife, "Today I prayed to God to help us. It seems God has heard our prayers and has sent this goose to help us. Let us take it to our house and rear it." The wife agreed. Both picked the goose and walked back home. That day, they did not go to the town to work. "Now that we have found a goose, it will lay eggs. Those eggs will hatch and we will have many geese. Then we will be able to sell their eggs and earn money," he said to his wife. Soon they reached their house. They kept the goose in one corner of their hut and gave it some grains and water. The goose ate the grains and drank some water. Then it sat down in the corner of the hut as if it was her home. The whole day, both the husband and wife were planning what all they would do when they have many geese. The day passed and night came. Both of them covered the goose with a cane basket for its safety and went to sleep. Next morning, the man woke up early and went straight to check the goose. He lifted the cane basket and kept it aside. The goose was fine, but what the man saw? He could not believe it. His eyes were widened, and he rubbed his eyes with his hands to make sure that what he was seeing was true. There, by the side of the goose, he saw a golden egg. It had lustre. It was made up of pure gold. He immediately called his wife. "Hey, you! Come here right now and tell me what I am seeing is true, or am I dreaming?" The wife was surprised to hear her husband speaking in such a manner early in the morning. She came running to find out what had happened. As she reached near her husband, he could not utter a single word. He just pointed his hands towards the golden egg. His wife was dumbstruck to see such a strange shining egg. The husband was so simple that he said to his wife, "It seems someone has played a trick upon us and kept this painted egg here." The wife replied, "Let us lift it and examine it." The man picked up the egg to examine it. He found it heavier than ordinary eggs. "Why don't you take it in your hands and look at it?" he said to his wife. She took the egg from her husband's hands and said, "It is an egg made up of pure gold." They took it as an eternal grace. Both mumbled their prayers and thanked God. Days passed by, and the goose laid a golden egg each day. Selling those eggs, the poor man became rich. His fortune swelled, but it also enhanced his greed. One day, he said to his wife, "Why should we wait for one egg each day? Let us cut open the stomach of the goose and take out all the eggs. That will save us from waiting for an egg each day." And that's what they did, only to find flesh, bones, and blood.
A. Put a tick on the correct option.